Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani, coming to you today with a very small grocery haul. I went to Kroger's today. They had some amazing deals with back to school, getting ready to start. I wanted to make sure that I capitalize on some of these items and stock up for when the school season starts. So let's begin. First thing I got was a dozen of the organic, Simple Truth organic, cage-free, large brown eggs. I believe this was $3.09. I got some bell peppers, 3 for 99 cents. I got the Annie's shells and real aged cheddar cheese organic macaroni and cheese. I also got the shells with white cheddar organic made by Annie's. I got the Classico 4-cheese Alfredo sauce. I love this when I make my shrimp and pasta or chicken fettuccine. I use this plus some fresh Parmesan cheese as well as milk. I also got the Classico tomato. No, I'm sorry, the traditional sweet basil. I love this. I also got 2 tomatoes, 4 peaches. I got a box of cinnamon crunch. This is really what brought me to Kroger's today. They had these for 99 cents with a digital coupon as well as your Kroger's card. So if you guys need to stock up, today would be a really good day. I believe it's today and tomorrow, but the maximum you could get is 5. So I got one of these. And I'm going to turn you around so you can see I also got 4 Cheerios. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 4 of those, as well as the Kroger's brand coffee. These are regularly $14.99. They were on sale for $9.99. Again, it's a digital coupon as well as your Kroger's card. I got the classic decaf for my husband. He doesn't like regular coffee. He likes decaf. And then I got the donut shop blend for myself. Not that we needed coffee. I have like 2 huge cases upstairs, but I'm just such a big coffee drinker. And I also like to try different flavors when it goes on sale. That's when I buy it. So that is the end of my haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to share with your friends and family. Also, if you're not a member of At Home with Anani, I would love for you to become part of this family. So if you decide to subscribe to the channel, make sure to hit the notification bell so you could be notified every time I upload a video. Again, this was a really small haul. I spent $35. Like I said, I just went in to get some of these deals so I could stock up for the school season. Again, thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. You guys take care, be blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.